Hello, my name is Vygodas Juozaitis. I was very happy to be involved in the Entrepreneur 2.0 project. Selection of internet tools expanded my knowledge, and thanks to this project I got more serious in my work and understanding about social partners, small and medium enterprise. The conference also taught me about European Commission funding, and hopefully there will be some more projects like this for me to participate. Thank you.
Hello, I am Greta and I am very excited about attending this project, and actually it was a great opportunity for me to go and to see the possibilities which are waiting for me, and in the future I would like to establish business. For example, something connected with languages or languages school, because now I'm working in international company called Bibo Global Opportunity, and actually my bosses are living in Philippines and I am teaching English language for Japanese students, so I can see this company work from the inside, and I can see that they are using many, for example, web tools like Google Drive or Skype program or Google Hangout. So I think without Skype and without those programs, they couldn't have established this kind of business. So I think it's a great example for me. So everything can be achieved while using internet tools. And so, yeah, I'm very excited about participating, and I hope this knowledge will help me in the future to establish my own business. Yeah, so thank you very much and see you.
My name is Genutė Kirkienė. I am Associated Professor of History at Vilnius University. My specialization Lithuanian history of culture. I'm very interested in getting more information about the opportunities that are suggested by this project. New internet technologies give wide possibilities to choose between different sort of information: textual, graphic, visual, phonic, etc. For my lectures, I use website, photos and pictures, videos, YouTube, teachers, maps, wiki, etc. All these tools help to enhance the quality of lectures. Moreover, I also share information as I am director of public organization Academy of Historical Memory. We have created such websites as www.mdl.lt, Magnus Dukatus Lithuania, where you can find various visual historic information about the heritage of Grand Duchy of Lithuania. www.vav.lt. It is virtual historic Vilnius, information for tourists and other people who want to discover capital of Lithuania.
Hi, my name is Giedrius. I'm a social worker and I am working in mental health center with clients which have psychiatrist, intellectual disabilities problem, and I'm working with our clients by methods social work, counseling, film therapies, computer teaching. During the lessons with our clients, we have possibilities used web tools like Dropbox, YouTube. With these tools, we have our clients have possibilities to find and use actual information and in and start to be more independent in area of virtual area. And this project very positive initiative, and I have more actual information like specialist, and thank you for project leaders, and good luck. Bye.
Hello everybody. My name is Vitalia. I work in Lithuanian University of Education Science as an accountant at financial department. I have about 10 years experience working with European Union funding projects. I am very happy attending in project Entrepreneur 2.0 because I intend to start my own business and I need to expand knowledge in this field of activities. Because of this project, I have got absolutely new knowledges about Web 2.0 Extended Business Network. During project workshop, I have got a lot of new information which I could use in the future in my work. Thank you very much indeed.
My name is Šarūnė Stankaitytė. I'm from Lithuania. I work at Lithuania University of Educational Science as accountant at Finance Department. I'm responsible for EU-financed projects accounting. In my work, I use Google Disk to send reports to EU agencies. From this project, I've expanded to get new knowledge about useful web tools, which can help me to work more effectively. My hopes were fulfilled in the workshops. I could get know about tools like Doodle, Google Drive, which I will use in the future in my job. While participating in the workshop, I've also learned how I can get funding from EU to start business. This encouraged me to start thinking about my own business. Thank you so much for great experience. Bye.
I am Vilija. I work at the Lithuanian University of Educational Sciences. The area of my scientific interest is evolution of schools, training of teachers, and sociology of education. My work is both scientific and pedagogical. I teach students that is necessary to apply accurate knowledge in real life. This is the only way to develop skills and abilities. The most popular teaching methods is based on experience. Students with the interest in doing both lectures and seminars. Of one to favorites websites is YouTube. It is possibility to find sections and lessons of it. This way, by learning of each area, educator bring up the necessary competences, one of which is the ability to use the technology. During the conference, I learned about the Web 2.0 tools and reflect on the way to transfer this knowledge with my students.
My name is Egidijus Mažintas. I'm working in Lithuanian Education University. I'm helping for young people from many countries, from different states, different cities, and I'm helping in social, pedagogical, psychological, ethnical, ethnographical consulting. And they found too many new pages in new life. Many Lithuanians working in other countries have families, children, and sometimes they forgetting languages, tradition, and my consultation job is something for help for young people who are Lithuanians. Thank you very much.